Hello everyone, so today we are making something related to Christmas. Yeah, any guesses? Yeah, you guesses right. So today we are going to make Macrame Gnome. So let's get into the video. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ikigai Creations. So today we are going to make Macrame Gnome. For this we will need a scissor, a normal bead, a cardboard piece and 1.5-inch ring and 3 mm cotton cord of white color and 3 mm red color cotton cord. You can take any color you want. After putting all these things aside, we will take our white cotton cord and measure a length of 25 centimeter, and then according to my ring I have taken 1.5-inch ring, so I have cut it 8 cords of 25 centimeter. If you have big ring you can cut more cords like 8, like 10 and 12. So here we have cut 8 cords of 25 centimeter each. And then we will cut cotton cord of red color first, but then first we will keep our white cotton cord aside, and then we will start cutting a length of 40 centimeter, and we will cut approx 20 sets of 40 centimeter each. So here we have cut all the 20 sets of 40 centimeter each and 8 sets of 25 centimeter each. So keeping this red cord aside, we will first do with this white cord. Taking a ring, we will make it a gnome beard. So take a cord and make it half like this, and with help of ring, insert the cord in ring and make a knot like this as shown in the video. We will do the same process in the same 8 cords. Then we are doing again. We will insert our cord and make a knot and tighten it. Then we will continue the same knot in the rest of the cords as shown in the video. So all the 8 cords are done, but we are removing this one cord because covering the head area also, so we have removed this. So we are done with our genome, right? Keeping this aside, and then we will make our genome head. So we will take our cord and fold it in half, and in this we will take our cord through the hole, the cardboard piece like this, and make a knot like this. So the outcome will look like this. It's opposite. In head area the knot in this like this, and the beard area the knot is downwards, and in head the knot is upwards. So we will do the same process till the end. So if you like this video, do let me know in the comments, and if you want more videos like this, then also please do let me know in the comments, and please press the bell icon. So here we are done with our genome head, and then we will attach a bead for nose, and then something like this. For this we will take a cord and insert a cord in the bead like this, and make a knot like this and insert it in head to make a nose. And glue it with glue gun. And then we will tie a knot in the head section, and then we will cut the edges to make it look nice. So here is the final outcome. Our gnome is ready. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.